Today we're going to do a little bit of off-road with our pickup truck, and our plan is to go to Roosevelt Dam. It's gonna be awesome. Apparently it's a nice trail. We've never done it before, so we're really excited to try it out.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be awesome.
So right now we're about here, and we're heading all the way up to Tortilla Flat, which is right there, and our goal is to go Roosevelt Dam. To be prepared, what we have to do is change the diaper.
Let's do it.
Road, you see? Caution, caution, be cautious. It's 22 miles of dirt road. We're going all the way down there.
So far, so good. Okay, dis-le. So far, so good. So
My
far,
Dutch Grand Caravan wouldn't do it here. Way too rough for a two-wheeler Dutch Grand Caravan. Unless I jack it up and I try to put a four-wheeler on it.
No.
I know, too rough.
We're having fun in the back.
Je vois ça, là.
Oui, you're having fun.
Oh, wow.
This part is really soft, good, easy to do. But the one right there, whoo, was scary. It was a one lane with a steep cliff.
I got. Setup and the baby, it's really easy to travel. He doesn't feel anything because we have the comfort. So right now it's snack time. Baby?
Do you like off-roading? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe you eat it without the spoon.
Want a bowl? Yeah?
Yeah.
So everything is always accessible, so that makes it really, really easy. Yeah, and we really love the bed setup. Honestly, it makes the travel really comfortable. Here it is.
Because whenever he needs a nap, the bed is ready. So he just napped there, and we have a lounge to chill around and read our book while he's napping.
It's a new experience. Well, that's what about traveling, right?
Just sit on the grill. We've been doing about 45 minutes of heavy trail. It looks like that. So we lost a book from the bookshelf, and this piece moved around, and we lost one plastic plant. We're gonna put a camera behind just to see if everything holds up.
mind, just use those wings and rise. Ooh, mother.
For us, the pickup conversion kit is all about freedom. The freedom to go further, explore deeper, and wake up in places most people only see in postcards. This setup lets us chase the most remote views without ever sacrificing comfort. Because when your home follows you everywhere, every road becomes the next adventure.
Time to wake up in these rise and seas. Days may be hard, but the true and real. Bringing up the vibration. You can feel it in your feet. What's there to hold in the light of this moon? My mind keeps searching, but my heart decides. Thoughts can be cruel, they're not mine to hold. The space unravels when you let go.
Did it old? Well, everything is in place now, except the books. Now they all fell down, so it's not maybe the place to put them in a kit. But for
Still falling.
But for anything else, it looks perfect. Nothing breaks, and this is really because of the making of this kit.
Everything is assembled with clips like this, so there is no glue, no nail, and no screws. So it's a very, very strong assembly, and you can unassemble it or reassemble it, but it's super strong and nothing can break that. And also, wherever we have rails or slides like this, we do a mechanic bonding. So there is a screw and an insert on the other side, and we go like a sandwich and we tighten them together, and we put some Loctite on top of that, so we make sure that nothing's gonna move, even with the vibration of the road or the trail.
Arrive at our destination, and we're gonna cook a good meal, playing a little bit by the lake. Just like sweet moment, really. It's not gonna be complicated. I just go with like pouches, and we had like a long day. We did a lot of road, a lot of exploring, so it's just gonna be simple dinner.
This is how you prepare a meal.
So traveling off-roading with a kid and a pickup truck camper, it's really feasible and it's comfortable. And for us, we have traveled a lot of years without a gear that allows us to come just park right now on the beach, off-road, and this is really nice because I feel like we can go explore deeper, and we have a sense of more freedom even if we had a big one before. So
it's amazing to explore new places that we couldn't go before that. So
yeah, it's perfect.
And still have everything we need to camp comfortably. It's just the best.